everyone! Does your kid know what is a polygon or what are its property? Well, don't worry, be clever because we have got you covered. I am Samreen Rizvi from Team Clever, and after the banging success of our last video, here we are with another amazing concept of maths, that is properties of polygon. In this video, your kid's gonna learn what are the interior and exterior angles of different shapes, different polygons, and how can be calculated. And above all, it's gonna be all about coding. So kindly stick to the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you haven't done it yet, and please share and comment and like our video. So Lavanya is with us here again. Hi Lavanya.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine as well. So Lavanya, I hope the last project helped you for revising the concept of remainder.
Yeah, it helped me a lot.
Okay. So do you have a project today to share with us again?
Yes, I have made a project and it has some information related to it also.
Okay. Please share your screen. I'm so excited to see your project.
So here it will first make a square and then it will give some information about it.
All right. Please just run this code. Let's just see how. So it is talking about exterior angle, interior angle, and interior angle between two lines. Awesome. Perfect. Okay. So Lavanya, is there anything that you want to know more about the code?
Yeah, I am confused between how it is able to calculate the angles.
All right. Let me help you out with it. You can stop sharing your screen for now. So what happens, Lavanya? You made a square. Similarly, we have triangle, pentagon, and so many close shapes, right? What are they known as? They are known as polygons. And every polygons can be drawn when we know about its angle, right? Suppose we are taking triangle into consideration. So the formula for your interior angle, sum of interior angle is number of sides minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. Okay? So now if we have a triangle, so what will be the answer? It will be number of sides is 3 minus 2, that is 1 into 180. So answer will be 180. Sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180, right? Now we have a square. According to the formula, we can simply calculate that number of sides is 4 now. So it will be 4 minus 2, that is 2, into 180, that is 360 degrees. Also, when there is one way more to calculate, if we divide square like this. So we'll be getting two triangles now. So 180 plus 180, again 360. Right? Similarly for pentagon, it can be divided into 3 triangles. Okay? So every shape can be divided into n minus 2 triangles, and hence we can just simply divide it like this. This is the formula that we get, number of sides minus 2 into 180 degrees. That is sum of interior angles. That is one thing that you showed in your project. Next thing was the angle between two lines inside, interior angles between two lines, right? So for that, we have the formula of sum of the angles, right? We can simply divide it with number of sides and we'll get angle between two lines. Okay? That is one thing. Now next thing was exterior angle. As in your code it was mentioned, and I also told you there are two types of angles, interior and exterior, right? So suppose we have a triangle again, and if I extend these sides, then it means I am talking about the exterior angles, right? Like this. Now suppose, Lavanya, there's a car, okay? And this is the road. So car will first go here, then it will take a turn here, it will go here, then again take a turn here. And so what happened? The point from where the car started, it ultimately came back to that place. It means that if we add all the exterior angle of any shape, then we get 360 degrees because a complete rotation is 360, right? And if we want to know the exterior angle, one exterior angle between two lines, then we can simply again divide it with the number of sides. Like for triangle, if we divide 360 degrees divide by 3, so what will we get? We'll get 120, right? Similarly, for square, it would be 360 degree divided by 4, so we'll get 90. Okay, so this is the general formula for exterior angle, that 360 degrees divided by number of sides. Okay, so Lavanya, I really liked your project, drawing the shape and giving the information. So what you can do with your project, like right now, it is simply drawing a square, right? What I want from you is, you ask from the user what shape they want to draw. What is the number of the sides? According to the number of the side, you have to draw that shape and you have to tell the interior angles and exterior angles and all, right? Based on the formula which I explained. Will you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So please start. Just share your screen and then make the project.
So here we will add first ask block.
Yes, we want the user to give
the number of sides.
Yeah. How about we ask the number of sides before loop, before this repeat block? Right, so let's make it general.
Here we will add the answer.
Perfect.
Block.
And we have to do the turning thing also, no? We can draw any shape with the help of exterior angle itself. So let's just give an operator block. We need to divide it with 360 degrees, right? That's the formula. So for the turning, yes, we'll just divide it with 360 degrees, the answer. So Lavanya, there in turn, how about you remove that answer block first and give the 360 division inside the repeat block.
Inside the repeat block.
When we are drawing, yes, see when below change pen color, you have to simply give an answer, no? How about you give the operator so that it can calculate accordingly. Yes, remove it. So the formula is 360 degrees divided by number of sides. So there we can write 360 degrees. Awesome, perfect. Okay, so you wrote exterior angle of the shape 360 degree divided by answer, perfect. Now let's do the same thing for interior angle, sum of interior angles. Yes, very good. So number of sides, that is the answer.
Answer -2.
Yes.
180.
Yes, perfect. That's what we want. That's how it is calculated. That's the formula. An interior angle between two shapes.
Divide. Then the multiplication block. And then we will add the subtraction.
So the whole thing which was before is just, we are dividing it with number of sides, right? And -2 into 180 divided by number of sides. Perfect. Now please run the code and this time make some another side, okay? Don't make a square. You already made it. Make a pentagon or hexagon or something. Wow. So now it's a general project, right? And see, it's telling about the exterior angle, sum of interior angles, and angle between two lines. Awesome. So I hope, Lavanya, now you'll understand the angles of any shape, right? You can just get the angle of any shape. Yes? Okay, so cool. And you know, Lavanya, like you can do so many updates in this project. I mean, you can make a quiz out of it or something. Plus, you can incorporate some AI thing also. Like maybe, we can just explore this idea of artificial intelligence, that we can just simply speak the number of side and it should guess something, okay, and it should draw. So many things can be done with the help of coding if we know the mathematical concepts, right?
Yeah.
All right, so cool. So thank you for coming here again, Lavanya, and hope to see you around.
Thank
Bye,
you.
Lavanya. Take care.
You too. Bye.